Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be trying out the Russian Rolls false eyelashes. If you want to see what these eyelashes look like and what I think about them, then please keep on watching. Alright, so as I've mentioned, my cat is going crazy right now. Alright, so as I've mentioned, today we will be trying out these Russian Roll false eyelashes. Now, I found these randomly on Shopee and this is what they look like. And from here, they look like regular eyelashes, but they are extremely curly. Can you see how curly those are? And I have a feeling that these are going to look exactly like eyelash extensions. And as someone who has a love-hate relationship with eyelash extensions, I am very, very excited to try these out. So as you can see, there are a total of 10 pairs in this container, and there are actually 5 styles available. So you can get 10 pieces of one style, or you can get this set of mixed styles. So as I've mentioned, there are 10 pairs, and for each style, there are 2 pairs. Parang ang gulo ng sinabi ko. But anyway, let's go ahead and try these on. Alright, so this is the style 01, and this looks exactly like eyelash extensions. They look super pretty, and I love how natural they look. This is the style 02, and this is when I started to get a bit disappointed. I thought these looked crazy and so unruly. This is the style 03, and they look like dead insects that are stuck on my eyeballs. I hate these so much, but I don't know which ones I hate, these ones or these ones. These are style number 4, and they look like pubes. Just straight up pubes. And finally, this is style 05. These look pretty okay. I like the first ones better, but these are okay. They're tame. They're lashes. Disappointment. Okay, so I'm going to be extremely honest with you guys. I had really high hopes and expectations for these eyelashes because when I saw them on Shopee, I thought they looked really beautiful and that I would love every single style. And out of the 5 styles, I only like 2. And I absolutely hate styles 2, 3, and 4. I only like the first one that I tried and these ones that I'm wearing right now. Especially the third style, it just looked so yucky. It's so short and full and curly that it cupped my eyelids, and it looks like, from afar, it looks like a botched eyeshadow job from afar. However, I do like styles number 1 and 5. I think they look exactly like eyelash extensions, and as I have mentioned earlier, I do have a love-hate relationship with eyelash extensions. I absolutely love how they look, but I hate getting them. I hate the process. I hate the glue. I hate pulling them out one by one. So I think this is a great alternative if you are just like me, or if you are somehow allergic to the strong adhesives that they use for eyelash extensions. Now, these are very lightweight and they are quite easy to apply, but the only issue that I have with them, aside from the 3 ugly styles that come with the set, is that when you get new lashes, they're usually glued on just the tips or the sides. These are just really stuck on the box, as in they're really glued on there. They're so hard to pull out. And once you pull them out, there's so much gunk on them. So you have to clean them out before you use them. And I normally don't have that problem with other lashes because I cut off the tips of the lashes naman. But these ones, they just have gunk on the entire lash band. So you do have to pull on those very gently before you put them on your eyes. Also, these are only 129 pesos, so I'm not really that worried with the lashes that I won't be using. However, I am very happy with as I've mentioned, styles 1 and 5. These styles look extremely beautiful. And yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this very short review. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you haven't. Now, if you are interested in my other lash reviews, I'm going to link the playlist down below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all on my next video.